So your nervous system needs to be sending off the alarm. And so what they've realized with chronic pain is there's not, in fact, an issue necessarily in the tissues, but the brain's almost stuck in this stress response because it's gone through so much with trauma, repeated trauma especially, that it doesn't understand that it's actually okay. And so a few of those things are, well, of course, seek help from your medical professional. And then education is really important, to educate yourself, to have a good understanding about what chronic pain is and how to address it is key to overcome it. Meditation and mindfulness is key as well. Low impact exercise that keeps the body out of stress, also key. So it's not just one quick fix. There's no quick fix out there that's just going to, make it all magically go away. It's going to take work. It's going to take perseverance. But with all the right key elements, you can succeed, as I did, and as a lot of my clients have. So if that's something you're interested in learning more about, I've got a free workshop